Good morning, dear students. I hope you are very well today. Today we are going to work in a reading comprehension about the plants and their functions, ¿ok? Vamos a trabajar una comprensión lectora acerca de las plantas, las partes de ellas y sus funciones. Antes de ver este video y vamos a leer este texto, necesito que vean otro video adjunto que les voy a dejar, bien dinámico acerca de las partes de la planta en inglés, ¿ok? And then we are going to go to this reading comprehension. Let's start reading it. Vamos a comenzar leyéndolo. A plant is a living organism. It is made up of different parts and each has a particular purpose or a specialized function. If one part of the plant is not functioning properly, the whole plant will suffer. But we may cut flowers off the plant or prune the roots. Such damage is only temporary and so the plant will continue growing. The basic parts of a plant are the root system, which is below the ground, and the shoot system above the ground. The root of a plant has two main functions. It absorbs water and minerals from the soils through the root hairs, which are single cells near the top of each root. The other main function of the root is to hold the plant firmly in the correct position in the soil. Plants such as sugar beet and carrots are able to store food in their roots. In this way, they can keep growing for more than one season. In addition, plants such as clover and lucerne have special bacteria which live on the roots. These simple forms of life take nitrogen out of the air and put it in the soil. The shoot system above the ground consists of the stem, the leaves, flowers, and fruit. One of the functions of the stem is to support the plant. Another important function is to enable water and minerals to pass from the roots to the leaves and flowers. Organic materials such as sugar travel down the stem to the roots. The leaves grow out of the side of the stem. Their main job is to take food for the plant by the process known as photosynthesis. For this process, sunlight is necessary. Water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air are converted into sugars and other carbohydrates. During the process, oxygen is formed and released into the air. The flowers contain the reproductive organs of the plant. The stamens produce the male sex cells or spermatia, which are carried in the pollen grains. The carpel produces the female sex cells or ovules. The fruit encloses the seeds and protects them while they are developing. The seed consists of an embryo and food store. The embryo is part which will be developed into another plant, and the food store is necessary to provide nourishment for the young plant while growing. Okay, after reading this text, which is very complete about the plants, answer the following questions in English. Responde las siguientes preguntas en inglés. What is a plant? ¿Qué es una planta? What are the basic parts of a plant? Las partes básicas de una planta. What are the main functions of a plant? Las principales funciones de una planta. What is the functions of the shoot system? ¿Cuál es la función del shoot system, del sistema aéreo? Number 2, write true or false according to the text. Escriba verdadero o falso. Verdadero es true, false, falso. En inglés, obviamente, ¿ya? Different parts of a plant have a specialized functions. B, not all parts of the plant need to function properly. C, if we cut flowers of a plant, all plant will suffer. D, the shoot system of the plant is below the ground. E, water and minerals are absorbed through the root hairs. F, the plant is anchored in the soil by the roots. And G, clovers have a special bacteria that live on the roots. Okay, this is today's homework. If you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.